These carrot cake baked oats will be your new favorite breakfast. They'll keep you full for hours because they're full of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They taste like carrot cake and they go great with Greek yogurt and maple syrup and some fresh fruit. Feel free to use oat flour instead of oats for a smoother texture. And throw in some flaked coconut or even some chocolate chips. And they're perfect for meal prep, so let's get started. First, in a large bowl, mix together 1 cup of grated carrots with 2 cups of rolled oats, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and set aside. In another bowl, crack an egg and whisk. Then add 2 cups of milk. I used whole milk. A 1/4 cup of a neutral oil or melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix well. Pour the wet ingredients over the dry and mix. Add in a 1/2 cup each of chopped nuts. I used walnuts and raisins. Mix. Pour the batter into a greased 8 by 8 inch pan. And bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes or until it looks dry on top. Cool for 5 minutes and enjoy with some Greek yogurt and more chopped nuts. Thanks for watching.